up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And I'm doing a revamp of this song, Hunger Strike, from last night because I realized I was doing the wrong picking for you guys. So we can't have that. We gotta redo it. Alright, so let's go over it the right way and also tune down your E string to a D. So drop D. Okay. Right, here's the pattern. Okay, so it's 4, 3, 2, 3. Okay, let's start with that. That's the first part, and then put down your third finger on the 3rd fret B string, and then you're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 2. Last two notes, the D and the B string, I'm doing downstrokes. I was trying to figure out a way to do this fast and smooth, and yeah, down, the last two definitely. Okay, and then with the same picking, we're just gonna grab the E in the bass. So 2 on the D string, same picking. Then we have the heavy part. It's open to 2 E and A string. Open, close, open, close. And then grab 4th fret on D string and bend that. Heavy. Yeah. That's how it's done. Thanks guys for tuning in, and sorry about that, it happens. I'll see you soon with more great tunes. Be well. Thank you.